Well, namaste to my dear friends. Welcome to those students of class 9C and 9I. I welcome you into my virtual classroom. I, S.M. Tahir, your subject teacher. Today, as we have already planned our e-lesson plan, and according to e-lesson plan we have to go with this chapter, that is packing. The very chapter is derived from a very famous novel, Three Men in a Boat. The novel was previously prescribed in class 9 in old course. When you were in class 6 or 7, that very novel was taught by us in class 9th and 10th as well. But recently, due to the change in the course, there is no novel. So the very story packing is derived from that. It is one of the chapter that is taken away, that is derived from that very novel. The novel Three Men in a Boat, from which the story is derived. It is a story about three friends. Packing is a story about three friends. Three friends. All these three friends, that is the narrator. The three friends were the narrator, that is Jerry K. Joram, George, the second friend is George, and the third friend is Harish. All these friends, the narrator, that is Jerry K. Joram, George and Harris, they have some sorts of notions. They were in opinion that they are sick, though they were not sick. Psychologically, it was psychologically that they believed that they were sick, and they consulted various physicians, consulted even the book of medicines, taken various medicine, but they were not get over the problem. In fact, they were not ill. It was psychologically, mentally they thought about that they are ill. In fact, they were not ill. So, to get rid of that monotonous life, somehow they decided that it may be due to the monotonous way of the life that they are feeling sick. So they decided to have a picnic in a boat. So these three friends, the three men in a boat. So packing is one of the extract, the chapter that is derived, taken from. Here in this chapter, the narrator has described about a very humorous thing, the art of packing. Narrator, that is Jerry K. Joram. Narrator, that Jerry K. Joram, always boasts about his art of packing. He supposed himself to be the best packer of the world, but he don't like to do it by his own. Here the chapter packing is a very humorous description of Jerry K. Joram. Very humorous. What is humor? Humor is laughter. Humor is something that makes you laugh. How it is humorous? When you will go through the story, you will learn that how Jerry K. Joram the narrator creates humor in the story. Before starting the trip to the picnic, as I have already told, that all these three friends, that is narrator, George and Harris, they were three great friends, and they were in opinion that they have all kind of disease. They consulted the book of medicine, consulted the physicians, taken various medicines, but they could not be cured. They could not be cured because they don't have any kind of sickness. It was mental thought. It was in their mind size that they think that they can. So here the trip that the three friends decided to go for a picnic. Why? Picnic to get rid of the monotonous, to get rid of their sickness. And they decided to go by the boat. So a list of the thing is prepared. What are the things that is required to take on that picnic? So packing. Before starting a trip, one should plan before oneself what should be packed. Here the narrator is humorously hitting upon that we all are in habit of packing the things. 70% of packings are useless packing. Just recall the holiday that recently you have spent with your parents, or you have visited any other place as a tourist to visit Delhi or another place. You remember how just recall how you have collected and assembled the things. 90% of things you might have not the use. So for proper packing, good articles, experience when and both are needed. An experienced person, what the narrator said, that if you are experienced, then you can be a very good packing. Packing is an art. How to pack properly, it will be taught here. The humor lies in the funny actions author and his friends. The author, that is the humor of the story, lies in the friend, the narrator, George and Harris. How they created humor in the story. How a funny situation is being created. Here you see, George and Harris were packing for the trip. It was George who himself claimed that he is the best packer. And when you will read the story, you will realize that he was not at all a best packer, but he is almost the worst packer. So the narrator could not afford himself to packing. His friends allowed him to do the relax. Narrator could not afford. So his friend George and Harris advised him to take rest. George and Harris. Narrator was given freedom. He was given freedom to relax, take rest. And these two friends, that is George and Harris, they were busy in packing. They were in the packing. So the packing. So here the packing was done. The author was not happy. He never meant this. He wanted them to do under his instruction. In fact, the narrator wanted to boss the job of packing. The narrator Jerry K. Joram wants to be boss of the job of packing. He wants to do the packing under his supervision. What does it mean? He wants to supervise. He doesn't want to help, only to see how, only to guide that how packing is done. But his offer was misunderstood. And they made him pack the things. No. The two friends, George and Harris, misunderstood his suggestion. What was his suggestion? That he wants to boss the job of packing. But it was misunderstood by the two friends, that is George and Harris. And they said no, he has to do the packing. He has to do the packing. George argued if the shop was packed. So how the mess they have created, they packed the things, the soft things down. And what happened? The cheese, the butter, the soap all get smashed. The heavy, the soft things were put down, and the heavy things were piled up and up, one by one. Just imagine the situation that the cheese and butter get smashed by the heavy loads that they have packed. And it created the mess, the tragedy. So in the story Packing, the author Jerry K. Joram. So here in the story, the narrator Jerry K. Joram tells us that before the starting any journey, we should plan and prepare for it. Very simple theory. We often plan so many things, but we never plan it in a right way. Planning the things in a right way makes the thing easy. We plan in a haphazard way, and not a calculated way. What are the things that is required for any planning, that you think thrice what you required most, but we never think before our planning. Just in a hurry we do the things. So here the narrator hits upon the idea that we should plan before. We should plan and prepare well, otherwise we have to face a lot of difficulties. What are the difficulties that an unplanned thing are having? You should know. All the difficulties we face due to the unplanned work. We need to plan according to situations and circumstances. If situation and circumstances is not favoring you, you should curtail your plan, the previous plan that you had. During the pandemic period, during the lockdown, so many plans have been rescheduled. We have cancelled so many things. How? Of course, you might have learned a lot about how to plan properly. So here, we should not take any task very easy or do. What is the blunder that we do? We think it is easy. Nothing is easy. Even the easiest thing is not easy. It requires a proper planning. Dear children, as you know, that without a plan, hurry spoils the curry. There is a saying, a very beautiful saying, that hurry spoils the curry. So, if you are in a hurry, hasty makes wasty. Unplanned work will go in waste. It will go in disarray. It will go in waste. So the story Packing hits upon the idea that there should be a proper planning. If there is no proper planning, we are going to face difficulties in our life. Whatever. The story teaches us planning for the examination, planning for your learning, planning for your earning, planning to live your life, planning to improve upon yourself. Without a proper planning, it is not important. Our life is also a journey. We all are the travelers. Either me, either you, or anybody present in this class. We all are the travelers of life. Life is a journey. Life is the journey, and we meet the complex situation. Look at the complex situation. The complex situation that we have recently met. Look at the situation. Have you ever imagined when you were taking your final examination? Have you ever imagined that much long period of lockdown will be there? No. As a child you might have not imagined. But as a teacher, we have imagined that at least there will be 3 months of the lockdown, because WHO has already given us the guidelines in the month of December. We were prepared, but the very news was not spread among the children. So, situations, complex situations were continuing our journey. You should know how to get rid of the complex situation. If life is a journey, and if there is a life journey, there will be complexity, there will be problem, there will be hurdle. And as a good citizen, as a good child, as a good human being, we should know how to tackle these complex situations. And these complex situations may be tackled by proper planning. This is, the very story is a satirical, that how we get mixed up with the life, and we just make the boat of life very heavy. If the boat of life is made so much heavy, gradually it will sink. That is what happens. That is how we make the boat of life heavy. The accumulations. We accumulate much and much. We accumulate more than we need. We accumulate more than we need. And we make the life lost. So dear children, remember, but if we have pros to deal with them, we do not have the experience to them. And if you have power, if you are trained enough to how to deal with these situations, and what makes you trained enough? It is your learning by the experience. The experience itself is a very good teacher. I suppose the present child who have seen this continuous lockdown from March to August, even it may be September also. So this continuous lockdown might have taught you that how to deal with the complex situations and the complex circumstances. So through this story, the author tells us that the thing seems to be very easy, may not be easy as we think. Through this story, the story packing looks very simple. The thing that looks very easy, it may not be easy. It may be full of difficulties. Packing things in a bag is not a difficult task, but it made a mess because it was not done with a good. Even a simple packing requires a program. Same is with the life, even for the simplest task. So the theme of the story is that we should know the proper planning. A proper planning is must. If you want to get the success in life, there must be a proper planning. Because life is a journey and it is full of complexity. The things that look simple is not simple, my dear. Even though it is simple, I agree that it is simple, but it also required. Even the simplest of the simple things requires planning. And if you go by proper planning, your life will be very easy. So that is the theme of the story. Now what is the message? The story gives us the message that we must proper knowledge. Proper knowledge. What little learning is always dangerous thing. Drink deep or taste not. If you have a little knowledge or anything, it is very, very dangerous. Even the simplest, why the narrator has chosen a very simplest thing, that is packing. Everybody, oh my God, I know the packing. It's very easy thing, but it is not easy. Even to pack your bag and baggage is not a simplest thing. Leave all the things. Just think about the simplest thing, that the packing. In the absence of knowledge, we are bound to face problems. Even a simplest knowledge of packing, if we don't have simplest art of packing, if we don't have a proper art of packing, then we are bound to meet the trouble. We are going to meet the problem. So art of packing is very important. Art of packing. Art of packing is very important thing. And you should if we don't have proper knowledge about the art of packing, we are going to face the problem. We are bound to, so Jerome the three friends, that is narrator and J.D.K. Joram and Harris, they commit several mistakes. They also learned the while packing must be avoided, the final stage, the packing. So this is very important. So the three characters are there in the story. There are three characters in the story. That is narrator, J.D.K. Joram, George and Harris. And there are fourth friend also. That is Monty Morrissey the dog. And all the three friends decided to go for a picnic. And the fourth friend, that was Monty Morrissey the dog. But the story is given name 3 men in a boat and 1 dog also. So this is the introduction of the story. Tomorrow I will deal